Hello everyone and welcome to this video. This is the first videos from me going to Japan to watch Newcastle play Urawa Red Diamonds and Urawa Red Diamonds and Yokohama Marinos. Red Diamonds game is in Saitama, I think it's north of Tokyo, I can't remember the map. And the Yokohama game is in the National Stadium in Tokyo. I've been there before. So I'm just in Taipei Airport now in Taipei, and I am flying with a budget airline called Scoot. It's going to be about 3 hours to Tokyo from Taipei. And one thing, I tried to rush a shave this morning, got me nearly hacked my face off, and on the way to the airport it bled again, so I'm covered in blood, but that's alright, we're still gonna get there. So I'm flying with Scoot. This is the company here, look up there, Scoot. If you ever come to Asia, this is a budget airline, they're quite good. So I think they're gonna call the boarding now, so I'm gonna go back and sit down and let's just get to Tokyo. And look, I'm a part of the Miguel Almiron Appreciation Society. There we go, Miggy Almiron and blood. See you in Japan. I've just landed in Tokyo and we just claimed the bags. We've just come through the security checks, so I'm gonna head to the hotel now and drop off the bags and have a look around and get some food. I'm well hungry because just budget airline, you don't get any food. So what I want to eat is the Jaikatsu or the Gokatsu. I can't remember how they pronounced it. It's spelled G-Y-U Katsu, I think. So here we go. I'm buzzing to watch Newcastle in Asia. This is the first time I've ever did it. I know it's only a friendly, but considering I don't get the chance to watch them when I go home now because of the shitty ballot, it means this is the only kind of chance I get these days. So come on the tune. I was also going to show you more of the flight and that, but all I've done is sleep all the way here because last night I had no sleep because there's this stray dog near my place in Taipei and it's refusing to eat, and there's loads of people trying to help it to eat, and we're just chasing it around the street. It won't take food off anyone or anything. You can see its bones and that, but I think it's worth it trying to help it. I've been trying to help it for 3 days now and it keeps running away from us. So that probably led to rushing me shave and cutting myself in bits as well. But it's worth it. If I can help that dog, I'll be over the moon. Right, so the missus is staying a nut. I'm taking for ages, so let's hurry up and get into Tokyo so we can have some scran. See you later. Alright, and Miggy Almiron Appreciation Society has arrived. Miggy Almiron. Right, let's go before I get into trouble in the airport. Just got to Tokyo now, and we dropped our bags in the hotel, but we can't check till 3. I got me bloody Almiron top off, and we're gonna eat this Jaikatsu. I don't know how it's said. It's one of my favorite things to eat here because in Taiwan they do it really crap, and then I'm just gonna have a waddle about for a bit. I haven't had time to actually plan anything because work's been busy as shit, life's been busy as shit. So I'm just gonna be free as a bird, and then we've got the match tomorrow. Come on, it's only a friendly, but I'm buzzing to see Newcastle play in Japan. Like, eventually in the restaurant now, and I just asked the girl how you say it, and it's called Cats. And I saw a Newcastle post that they're gonna have a shop at 6:30. I saved the pin on my map where I think the shop is, and I'm gonna have a look down there. Hopefully we have time. It's close by the one I think where they're at in Ginza, so I'm gonna go there and show my Obi's there. So let's see if we can see the Macam Slayer. I'll show you the food when it comes. That's pan on the cooker. This is fried steak, and then you've got to put it on these little things like that. Every time I come to Tokyo or Japan, I have to have these, like. This was 900 yen. Not 900 yen, 4,000 yen, I think. Was it 4,000? Well, it was roughly 4,000, whatever. Anyway, my missus said it was about 900 NT dollars, and It's rice, different sauces, the steak, a bit of veg. This is mochi, that's like a dessert. And that's fish egg, some kind of fish egg. I already ate half of that. Right, this is lush. I'm just gonna squint it. Here's a bit here, like, let's see. Good. Just bought the new away top and the new home top here in Japan, in Tokyo, and I bumped into Lee Ryder outside, all the different YouTubers and that. So I'll show you the goods that they have that are just for the Japan tour. I've got this, but I don't think this is very good. Newcastle Japan tour. Look at that, man. Newcastle in Japan. Never thought you'd see that. Look at that. Urban written on the side. Japan. There's Joe Linden. Look at Joe Linden, man. Pyramid. This is changing and all, but it's stuck on Joe Linden. Who I said that. There's Cher. And then we've got this big display here, look, as you walk through the door. Why, there's an hour until Shola comes, so I'm gonna go and eat cake and come back. I left the Newcastle event now because it's packed and there's only Shola and me over there. And we come to this cake shop, really. This cake shop, my missus loves it. It's well good. I'll show you the cakes they've got on offer, what they've got left. Have a look at these bad boys. Look at that cake there, man. Anyone wants the blueberry tart, look. Apple and mango. Melon. And then some cakes. And this shop is called HARBS, H-A-R-B-S, HARBS. This is my first day here and we pretty much only arrived in the afternoon. So this video is like my first day in Japan for the Newcastle tour. This is what I got up to on the first day. But we really only started going around at about 3:30 once we sorted everything out. So I haven't actually done much today. I'm just doing a bit of this, a bit of that, and I'll show you what I'm getting up to. Right, I come back because my missus went to Uniqlo. She's waddling about in there, and there's a massive queue, but I don't know what I'm waiting for because I just got a cheeky photo with Shola on the escalator. Timed that well. So there's the queue, look. So I don't know what I'm queuing for now. Just get another picture or some shit. I already bought a top. I already got a picture with Shola, but I'll just show you what's going on. Welcome to Newcastle in Japan. It's not exactly Taiwan content, but I suppose you can see what I'm getting up to. There we can look. This is all to see Shola, I guess, and get stuff signed and pictures and that. Before, when I was buying the tops, they said I have to hurry up because they're going to kick everyone out and make us queue when Shola comes. So that's what we're doing, so I'm glad I bought the tops. I'm buying this scarf here, Reet. It's 2,500 yen. This is like a scarf. It's more like a towel and you can dry your head. It'll be ideal for going to work. I just bought my scarf. I'm not waiting for a picture with Shola because look how packed the bloody shop is. There's the big lad. There's Shira and Amiobi reunited.